The truth is that there are not a lot of good looking smartwatches for the Android users. But this here is an exception. It's the all new Amazfit GTS. The device comes with a 1.65 inches rectangular AMOLED screen and is priced at $140. It comes in 5 different colors with an aluminum finish and also a titanium version which is priced at $190. The one that I have here is the Obsidian Black. It's not a full metal smartwatch. It has this pretty smooth matte aluminum finish around the display and a plastic finish at the bottom. Now here's a truth bomb. This is an Apple wannabe, but I'm still awestruck by the beauty of this smartwatch. In fact, it's the most elegant looking smartwatch under the $150 price tag. Unlike the Apple Watch 5, this ain't an LTPO display, although you do have the always on display mode, which I strongly believe should be a mandatory feature on any smartwatch. The display is pixel rich, it's lit, and readable even under sunlight. Also, the contrast is well calibrated and the depth of black is just beautiful. It in fact sometimes gets merged and thus making the bezel on the display go unnoticeable. Okay, here's a confession. The OS isn't great. The UI is really consistent throughout the smartwatch, but still feels a bit laggy. Unlike the Android Wear devices, the Amazfit GTS is more focused towards being a better fitness tracker rather than being a better smartwatch. You can view messages, notifications, but cannot reply or make any actions. After using the Kospet watches, which are almost similarly priced, I strongly believe Amazfit should level up their game in terms of the OS. Now, talking about being a good fitness tracker, the operating system packs 12 different fitness modes from swimming to skiing. But what I love the most about the smartwatch is that it has the 24 hours heart rate sensing, with which it can record your average and the maximum heartbeat. In fact, it also alerts you when your heart rate crosses 150 BPM. This is a pretty common feature in almost any fitness tracker, but what makes this one special is that the heart rate reading further tends to generate a PAI score. The PAI is a more accurate score that can decide the risk of high blood pressure, heart diseases, or type 2 diabetes. It works by using a new approach to measuring physical activity based on your heart rate. Instead of the regular thumb rule of 10,000 steps, with this new algorithm, you will have to maintain a PAI score above 100. Okay, now, this is my second confession. This is the closest I have got to an almost accurate GPS tracker on a smartwatch below $150 price tag. The device offers a brilliant combination of hardware that can generate a comprehensive data of speed and distance along with the calories you've burnt. Also, in order to save some juice, the GPS stays hibernated unless you use a particular feature that requires the GPS tracker. Despite the fact that the device has a real-time heart rate sensing and an always-on display, it still offers a brilliant 13 to 14 days of life. It combines a great hardware and a pretty well-optimized software that offers smart power consumption. Even with your GPS on, you can still get through 25 hours of usage. On a short note, the Amazfit GTS has a beautiful display, excellent battery life, and offers 50-meter water resistance. So we can conclude by saying the GTS does offer everything that you may expect on an affordable fitness tracker, but I still strongly hope further updates can reduce the lag and deliver a better optimized operating system and be a bit more smartwatch.